Hello, everyone. So today is 1st of September and it's almost 9 minutes past 10 p.m. Eastern time. So this is our weekly call and we'll look into some earnings. We'll talk about the economic calendar. We'll look into market probability maps and earning calendars. So let's start from, so let's go here and then, so I produce market weekly probability map every week on Friday, and this is for the week of September 2nd to 5th. September 2nd looks bullish, September 3rd looks mixed to bullish, 4th bullish, and 5th looks mixed to bearish. TWT, I'm the founder of, my name is Ali Merchant, I'm founder of TWT Learning, and we provide high probability, we provide education in how to identify high probability trades. We do market research, we provide trainings on the markets, how to identify high probability investing trading, from long-term investment, medium-term investment to day trading. Those ideas I'm available on. This is my website, twtlearning.com. Please go and visit the testimonials from my ex-students. I'm on Twitter since 2023 and YouTube. So I produce stuff on YouTube. So thank you very much for following my Twitter, my YouTube, and liking my stuff. I do produce a lot of actionable ideas. So please follow, share in your network, share within the groups you are, share within your network. I do provide training, so if you see anybody who would be interested, or if you are interested, please visit my website and contact me through my contact number over there, or email me on admin@twtlearning.com, or contact me on WhatsApp or text message. Let's go into, so we have packed weekly calendar. So tomorrow we have 10 o'clock ISM manufacturing PMI, then we have job opening numbers on 10 a.m. on Wednesday. Then FOMC Kashkari speaks, Fed member Kashkari speaks. Then we have ADP non-farm payroll on Thursday. And the key one is then ISM services PMI on Thursday. And the key is non-farm payroll this week. So a lot of stuff is happening this week. Then we have look at the earning calendar. So we have NIO, Chinese EV maker before market, Zscaler, cloud computing, Dollar Tree, Macy's retailer, then CRM, again, cloud into cloud, Zscaler, cloud technology, and then CRM and cloud technology, then AI, American Eagle, retail, GitLab technology, Hewlett Packard. Then we have Broadcom, biggest, again, 8th or 9th biggest company, public limited, market capitalization wise, the 9th biggest company in the world. Lululemon, DocuSign. So some good, we'll have a test of AI next week, this week, Broadcom, and we'll see how the earning comes out to be. All right, let's look at MNQ, which is the Nasdaq future. So what I would like to show, that I showed you these two scenarios. So far, this pink one is going in line with my expectation. This is the ideal scenario. We dipped, we moved higher, we go further down to retest 23K to 22.5K on MNQ before going higher. September is pretty volatile month. We'll see how it goes, but I'm expecting a move to the downside. Let's look at MES, which is the S&P futures. So MES, I think the pink one, the one which is in the pink line, is the ideal scenario. So we have seen dip, we have seen a pullback. Now we're going, I'm expecting it down to retest the previous all-time high, but it will not be very smooth and in a straight line. It will take some time to go down. Let's see how it works. And why I think, because if you see, the weekly candle has been making some sort of a top formation on MNQ, which is Nasdaq 100 futures. And then if you see so these were, yes, weekly candles. And let's see on the Weekly on S&P futures is also making a topping formation. So both are in line with the expectation of a downward move is in the making. QQQ dropped through this rising channel. We have a double top formation. We have 577 to 581, 82 resistance. We remain below this. We are coming down to 540. Over a period of time, it will be slow grind initially. Same thing with SPY. Drop through the channel. We have a double top formation on the top. As long as we remain below 649.50, we are coming down. Gradually, we break 630, 34, 35. We are heading to at least 615, below 620. So let's move quickly into it. And let's look at the UVXY, which is it's the VIX short-term future ETF. So sliding down along with this line, as long as we go above 14, that's my analysis is above 14, we will hit somewhere around 20, 25 plus maybe 30s. So that is likely to happen. Let's look into Tesla. So Tesla is into a triangle formation. Looks like, let's look at the dailies. Okay, so it's squeezing in a triangle formation. So it seems like that Tesla on the upside, 345, if it goes higher, otherwise on the downside, it looks like it's coming down to 300 below 320. All right, let's look at NVIDIA. So NVIDIA has broken this rising channel as indicated in my podcast that I think NVIDIA is going down. We failed to break 188, 485 a couple of times. Probably we are heading down. We are going down to at least break 170 on the downside. And my target on the longer term basis is somewhere below 160, 150, around 155. So if you haven't looked at my podcast before the earning, please feel free to go and check it out. If you need that podcast, let me know. All right, so now in the case of advanced micro devices, we have a double top, 185, 186, or it was 186, 187, and then we are heading towards the bottom end of it. We break 160, we have more downside to look at. Google is the one which has made an all-time new high. So there is a possibility that Google come down to retest this one or continue going higher. There's a possibility it will come down to retest and move higher, or it can continue going higher. Let's look at AVGO. Earnings is on Thursday after market. AVGO has broken this rising trend line. So it seems like with the bearish closing on Friday, it seems like AVGO is heading down. Let's see how it performs. Apple has broken, I have mentioned this one even in my tweet, that Apple has broken falling trend line. It's likely to go higher. Apple event is on 9th of September. I think that event will keep some life in this stock. Microsoft has broken the rising channel. It has gone down, but it looks like it's getting into a range. So on the top side, 510, 511, so 512 to probably 499, sorry, 499, 500. All right. Amazon is trading in the price gap, so I think it will continue heading towards, I think, 224, 225 if it fails to break 232, 233 on the top side. Let's look at gold. Gold is heading towards all-time high. What we have seen is 3,500, and we are at almost 3,496. We have seen 3,508, almost 9 today. And then the last high was 3,500. So we have crossed that high, but I think this is a strong resistance. Probability is we come down to a 3,451. Let's see how it reacts in the morning. On the other hand, oil. So oil has a very strong resistance around 65. It remains below this one. So this resistance is going to be the decisive point of decision. Goes above, we will go to at least 66.50. If we go down, then we are talking about at least we're going to remain between 64 to 65.50 range and 66.50, 66.60 on the upside. US dollar in the range. It actually is finding some support at this supporting trend line. As long as we break 98, we are going to hit 99 on the top side. So 98 to 99 on the top side. We go below 97.50. We're heading towards 96.50. All right, so 10-year yields. Yeah, this is 10-year yields. So 10-year yields are sitting at a support line. So we have seen some dip in it. So 5.22 is the support. If we break 5.22, we are coming down to 5.10. So we are basically 4.22 as the ski level. We break 4.22, we're coming down to 410 and 400, 4.00, right? Let's see on Bitcoin. Bitcoin has a double top formation. So we failed to break 123 to 125K twice. We are sitting at a support, which is around 108K to 109K. We remain above this. We have some room to go higher before we come down. So that's where we are. Let's look at NIO. So NIO's earning before market tomorrow. NIO breaks, say remains above 6.5. There's a room to go to 7.5, 7.70. Zscaler is sitting at the double, looks like a double bottom type of a thing, type of a pattern. So 265 to around 283 range. Let's see whichever side we break after earning will be the direction. Dollar Tree is clearly looking bearish. It dropped through this support, which is 111. I think we will be seeing somewhere around, if I'm not wrong, somewhere around 104 and maybe lower. Macy's double top formation has room on the downside. GitLab failed to break 50.5 twice unless this resistance is not clear. I think GitLab is going to come down between 47.50 to 45. HP. So in the case of HP, one second, let me expand this chart. HP has a very strong resistance around 24.99. Looks like in the uptrend, we break 23, we go to 25. And we have American Eagle, so basically retailer. We have base formation, If we fail to break post-earning 11 point, I'd say 13.13 to 13.50 to 14, then we are coming down. So we're going to remain in the range. If we break, then we have room to the upside. Lululemon. So Lululemon has been in the downtrend for a very long time, but it's trying to make a small base. Breaks 210, we have 225 on the way. It fails to break 210, then we're going to go back to 195. So that's the short and sweet call for this week. As I mentioned, that TWT Learning provides financial education. We train on high probability, how to identify high probability investments, trading and long-term, short-term, medium-term, day trading ideas, how to look at the economic indicators, how to follow fundamentals, how to find high probability setups, how to look at options, futures, how to do the hedging, how the market institutions, they do the hedging. So that's what we train on, provide training on that. We do advisory as well. So if you have any advisory need, please feel free to reach out, go to twtlearning.com, reach out to me through WhatsApp or text me. You can send me an email at admin@twtlearning.com. If you have, we do have a private trade idea group. So if you're interested, please reach out to me. Thank you. Have a nice rest of the remaining long weekend, and we'll connect soon. Thank you. Take care. Bye.